Actor Pooja Bhatt has also spoken out and has said, can this lawlessness be curbed? And has asked for more police presence in Bandra. That's the attack that has come in. And speaking about the security concerns as well, my colleague Amita is joining us with the details of that statement that has come in from Pooja Bhatt. Yes, Amita.
Right, Pratibha, reactions from the Bollywood film industry have started to pour in, of course, political reactions as well, but we are still awaiting as far as officially more details to come in, both from the Mumbai police, from the hospital as well, from Saif Ali Khan's team on his current condition. This is what Pooja Bhatt has reacted on the social media platform, saying that can this lawlessness please be curbed, Mumbai police. We need more police presence in Bandra, the city, especially the queens of the suburb. We have never felt so unsafe before, kind of tension, as she is also tagged when it comes to the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Ministers of Maharashtra, however, raising questions over the safety of the area. Of course, Bandra being the high-end, the posh society areas where many of these superstars reside, has raised security concerns over their safety.
Okay, all right. So Pooja Bhatt saying that there are concerns over safety and has asked for more security in the Bandra area. Can this lawlessness be curbed? That's a question that she has asked. So at this point, we have details of what happened at Saif Ali Khan's residence. Kareena Kapoor, we're told, was not at the residence at the time of the burglary attempt, and an intruder entered the house and there was an altercation. Saif being stabbed multiple times. Just to put things in perspective of what the police officials know as of now, Shivani continues to stay live with us. Shivani, just to play out that sequence on how it is said to have happened. Of course, the police officials are still investigating. They're still looking at the CCTV footage. But in the details that they have, what is the sequence that they have established as of now?
As of now, the Mumbai police has said that at 2:30 a.m. this entire incident took place when the actor was sleeping in his bedroom, and this entire attempt was made not directly through the indoors or the main entries of the house, but all by the external entry in the bedroom. Similarly, firstly, there was quite a quiet moment. Later, when the actor opposed, he was attacked by this very single thief who was attempting the robbery, and after a scuffle between the two, actor was attacked by that knife 6 times, which included some deeper injuries as well. And later seeking the help, and after, listening the scuffle noise, there was a house helper which also entered the bedroom. And at that point of time, even she tried to rescue and come between the two, whereas she was also attacked and she received one serious injury on her hand. And she has recorded her statement. This entire incident took place for half an hour, and henceforth it took some time for the rest of the family to come and take Saif Ali Khan to the hospital. And after this entire incident took place at 2:30 a.m., Saif Ali Khan was able to move to the hospital at 3:30 a.m. We can understand there was a gap of 1 hour in entire, scuffle, the entry, the attack, and of course to begin the medical help to the actor. And after which the doctor examined him and they found that he has serious injuries on his neck. There is at least a 10 centimeter of a cross that was seen and that has been observed by the doctor on his front side of the neck. And there was a deeper injury and sharp pointed equipment that was stuck in backside near the spine, which led to the surgery, which is successful at the moment.
Okay, all right. Request you to stay with us. More breaking updates coming in of the surgery of the actor that has been completed successfully. It went on for about 2.5 hours. The actor is in the recovery room of the operation theatre. So the surgery has been successful. As Shivani was just pointing out, it took about 2.5 hours, and he's currently at the recovery room, and the family members are also currently at the hospital with Saif Ali Khan. So these are the updates that are coming in. Saif Ali Khan currently in the hospital, and he has undergone the operation. So Shivani, you were saying that the surgery was successful. So that's some good news for the family members, but there are some concerns that continue. And before we go to the politics of it, you mentioned that he sustained some injuries near his neck as well.
Well, yes, clearly, Pratibha, the 10 centimeter is the information that we have received through our sources in the hospital. That is a 10 centimeter long and deep injury that took place near his neck in the front side, and henceforth a good amount of bleeding has taken place. and that is why there are some more injuries that has taken place near his chest, near his back, and he was stabbed repeatedly. And after the stabbing only, as we were discussing, there was a sharp object, pointed object that got stuck near his spine, and henceforth the surgery was important, which was conducted by the doctors of the Lilavati Hospital. In fact, the Neeraj Utmani, CEO of the Lilavati Hospital, has given a statement with regards to this, that one of the injury is closer to the spine.
Okay,
we are
closer
operating
to the spine, closer to the neck as well. So this is, these details are very scary. Shivani, I request you to stay with us. We have Mr. Ashok Pandit also joining us. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Ashok Pandit. An attack at Saif Ali Khan's residence, and in the altercation, he has also been injured, and he just underwent surgery. How shocking is it for those who are in Mumbai? The incident has, of course, shocked the entire country.
See, it's really a very shocking incident, and surely the security of the society has to be blamed for this incident. And these days, when everything is so organized as far as a system of building is concerned, security concerns are concerned, there are migrate apps where anybody who's coming and asking for it, there are 10 questions asked to him, and later, especially early in the morning at 2:33, when somebody enters, there is a lot of security guards who pose questions to you, before being permitted to go up. Actually, it's for the police now to investigate how this happened. But it's really a matter of concern. It's really a matter of concern that it's a compromise as far as security is concerned. It's not a question of being a celebrity. In fact, every common man has to be protected and feel protected. So it's a security faux pas. It's a compromise on the security of the building and all that. And I also don't appreciate statements issued by Pooja Bhatt, who says that the security of Bandra has to be increased. In fact, the entire city is as important as Bandra, and let's not blame the police and the authorities. It's an incident which has to be looked after. It's an incident which I'm sure the Mumbai police is very active and very capable enough to sort out this issue. But we at IFTDA, IMPA, and the Federation, the major bodies of the film industry, we are concerned about Saif's health and Saif's condition is concerned. And we hope that he recovers very fast and is back to his normal routine. It's really a matter of concern.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Ashok Pandit, with your perspective. Why politicize the issue? That's what the filmmaker has said. Reactions continue, and we continue getting you the updates as well. In the latest, we understand that Saif Ali Khan's surgery has been successful. The police officials still looking at the CCTV footage to establish the sequence of events. With that, we're slipping into a very short break here. We'll be right back. To stay with us.